Mohanty. Welcome to statistics classes. In previous classes, we discussed about computation of quartile under individual series and discrete series. In these classes, we will continue our chapter, that is quartile, and compute the quartile under continuous series. So here we can calculate quartile as your lower quartile and upper quartile. So first we calculate Q1 and the formula will be n by 4th item in case of your continuous series. First we compute this, and after computing this we get quartile class. After knowing the quartile class, then we put the formula of lower quartile, that is L1 plus n by 4 minus CA by F into I. As like we first calculate Q3 to know the quartile class, and we know the quartile class, put the formula of this, that is 3n by 4 item. So the upper quartile formula is L1 plus 3n by 4 minus CF by F into I. So that means L1 stands for lower limit of the quartile class, CF stands for cumulative frequency class preceding the quartile class, F stands for simple frequency of quartile class, and I stands for class intervals. Let's discuss this continuous series by the help of the example. This is the example related to the continuous series. Here the mass is given and we denote mass as x, and number of students given and we denote number of students as f. First we calculate cumulative frequency, that is CF. So cumulative frequency will be first 60, then 30, then 53, then 70, then 77, and the last will be 80. And here the number of students, that is total number of students, will be also 80. First we calculate Q1. So for calculating Q1, first to know the quartile class, for this purpose we put the formula of n plus 4th item, that is size of n plus 4th item. So here n is 80 by 4th item. So this will be 20th item, and 20th item comes under the frequency of cumulative frequency of 30. So the class will be 10 to 20. This is the quartile class. After getting the quartile class, so put the formula. So the formula of Q1 equals to L1 plus n by 4 minus CF by F into I. So here I, that is lower limit of class. So the lower limit of class is 10. Then frequency is simple frequency. F is 14. And CF is the preceding of the quartile class. So the preceding of cumulative frequency is 60, and I equals to class interval. So here there is a gap is 10. So I equals to 10. Now put this value in this formula. So L1 equals to 10 plus n by 4. The answer is 20. So 20 minus CF is 16 divided by F. F equals to 14 into 10. Now solve this. This will be 4 by 14 into 10. So this is 10 plus 40 by 14. And this will be 10 plus 2.86. So the answer will be 12.86. Now we compute upper quartile. For this purpose, first we compute to know about the quartile class. So in case of your upper quartile, the formula will be 3n the item is 60th item. So 60th item comes under the cumulative frequency of 70. So the class will be 30 to 40. 30 to 40 is your quartile class. So here that means L1 equals to 30, CF that is cumulative frequency, and this is your preceding of the quartile class. So CF will be 53. Then F equals to simple frequency, that is F, that is CF. So simple frequency is 70, and I equals to class interval. So here the gap is 10. And now we put the formula of Q3, that is L1 plus 3n by 4 minus CF whole divided by F into I. So L1 equals to 30 plus 3n by 4 is 60 minus CF equals to 53 whole divided by 70 into 10. So this will be 30 plus 7 by 17 into 10. That means 30 plus 70 by 7 will be 30 plus 4.12. That will be 34.12 is the final answer. So this is Q3. So this is all about our today's lesson, where we calculate quartile from the continuous series. Hope you guys understand this topic. Thank you for watching.